Hello everyone, welcome to ISE Barcelona 2026. Here I'd like to introduce you our intelligent blackboard. You can see in the middle is 86-inch touchscreen plus 2 wings of whiteboard. It's a foldable design. We can close up. Here is the locker for protection purpose. Also, it supports marker writing and memory functions. When I write on whiteboards, the same will be displayed in the middle. Here is eraser. Okay, these are function ports. For example, I can easily change the color or clear the screen. Alright, here is our self-developed educational software. For example, we have different color and pen options. Here we get a lot of teaching tools, for example, screen recording, insert different shape, change the color, and the function, as well as the compass. After you make the presentation, we can easily share it by QR code. Just use your mobile, scan the QR code, then you get the file on your mobile phone. Also, we can save the presentation in different format, picture, PDF, or upload it to Google Drive. It also supports split screen. Alright, if you would like to know more details, kindly visit our website.